Grade 11, this is part 2 of the answers for your psychology revision for quarter 4. Number 23, which of the following people would likely be the least aggressive in mate selection? It was supposed to be the women living in 1850. 24. Critics said that Margaret Mead's New Guinea study was biased by her personal views. Margaret Mead was making studies to prove that the gender roles are not stones, it's not walls, they are not really true, and that the gender roles can be flexible. So this is why the critics thought that all of her theories they were biased by her personal views, which means that they are not totally true because of her personal views. When do males begin to excel in mathematical problem solving in high school? This is according to the studies. Studies on mate selection find that men are more swayed than women by a partner's physical appearance. The studies on mate selection, they prove that men are totally affected by the physical appearance of whoever they choose as a mate. Which of the following factors has been linked to aggression? Of course, it's testosterone. Testosterone is the hormone that is secreted in males during puberty, and it leads in a big part to their aggression. 28. Which of the following statements is true about differences between the genders? One proven fact: girls acquire language somewhat faster than the boys do. All the people who have girls and boys, they know that the girls, they start speaking earlier than the boys, and they can form sentences and express themselves better than the boys using their language. 29. Which of the following groups might have inspired the legend of the Amazons? It's the Scythian female warriors. The Scythian female warriors were thought to be a myth at a time, and they were warriors. They were not conforming with the gender roles only for child rearing and caring for the house. They were building cities, and they were thought to be the ancestors of the Amazons. Which of the following is a biological trait fixed by the genes from before birth? The gender. Only your sex is determined at birth, not your schema, your role, or your stereotype. Social learning can occur through reinforcement and through modeling, because when you look up to your role model, you start learning things about the model and you want to copy this model. According to Mead, why did the Mando-Gomer women look down on bearing and rearing children? They didn't want to be bearing and rearing children because in their theory, the childbearing interfered with their ability to go into battle, because they really wanted to go into battle and build cities. According to gender theorists, what helps promote gender-typed behavior? As we said, gender typing is mainly a social thing more than a biological or a genetic thing. So, according to the gender schema theorists, what helps promote gender typed behavior? It's the society's cultural ideas. They say that the girls shouldn't be doing that, the boys should be doing that, and most of the societies, they automatically follow this. Critics of the genetic view of the gender role origins argue that gender roles are largely learned. Of course, the gender roles are basically learned. You can find a woman that is responsible for a whole company, and a man that is a stay-at-home dad and caring for his children. 35. Which theory holds that children play an active role in developing gender-appropriate behavior? The theory is the gender schema. As we said, the children, they look up for the same sex parent, and they are more attracted to the opposite sex parent. So a girl is always looking up at her mother, and she's absorbing all the behavior and all of the things that the mother is doing, and at the same time she's more attracted to her father, not following him but attracted and getting love and affection from him. Number 36. Which of the following exemplifies the change in gender roles over time in Western society? Of course, the fact that women increasingly participating in sports. Compared to adult females, in a mixed sex group, adult males tend to interrupt others more. Expected, of course. A father who reacts negatively when his son plays with a doll is demonstrating the learning process, which is called what? What do you see when a father is overreacting? It's called reinforcement, because he wants him to be having a certain gender role and he doesn't want him to sway from this role. 39. When does gender role development or gender typing usually begin? It begins by age 3. Dressing a baby girl in pink and a baby boy in blue is an example of gender roles used as norms, because you expect, because I have a boy, I have to be dressing him in blue. If I have a girl, she has to be dressed in pink. This means that you are using these gender roles as this is the normal thing that's supposed to happen. That's it for all of the psychology questions for your fourth quarter revision.